This is the final ride on an elevator at an apartment building in the North Hills of Pittsburgh. This is an old 1950s black button Westinghouse. Sadly, that rotor dial does not work. Door operators replace your JL at some point. This is the final ride as TK Elevator is about to be modernizing this. Go up to 6. I believe starting Monday they will mod this. Here you go up. That guy's upset about a key not working. Hopefully, he might come back down the elevator here at 6. We're gonna cap you here. The basic old Westinghouse cover, they painted it like gold color, which is really weird. All the plaques have been taken off or painted over. That one's painted over, that one's taken off. Okay. You're back in basement. Yeah, it was like the Westinghouse ceiling, but they put a drop ceiling, which is kind of ugly. Bounce.